Welcome back, guys, to Mega Just Said, and this is Mega Rainbow Parkour Obby Part 3. So this is the road, okay? So when I was walking in the road in Part 2, I just fell into this weird kind of hole. And just see where it is taking us to. Just see that. What is this? Whoa! It's so cool! Whoa! Whoa! What? What is this place? Wait a minute. Such a beautiful place just because to this drainage. Okay, whatever. Let's take a checkpoint, okay? Because I do not want to die. What matter what now? So let's keep on going. Okay, I've taken a checkpoint. And I think we have to go through this drainage now. So let's take up a box. Come on, Mr. Box. Wait, don't go. Don't go, don't go. Wait a minute. Wait, don't leave. Wait, okay, yes. Okay. Oh no. I just came out without a box. This is not good. I'm walking in the drainage. Oh no. I'm a junk bot and I'm pretty cool, right? I think so. Oh wait. I just automatically turned here. Okay, I don't know, but there are two ways and I just took out this way. Okay, I don't know, but let's try it out. Oh boy. Now it's gonna turn me here. Where's this gonna take me? I don't know. I don't know where I'm going. I'm walking on the drainage. It's not good. Okay, there's this path. I have to go here because that's only the path. I'm not doing anything, but I'm moving by myself. Okay, there's two paths. Should I go straight or right? I don't know, but I'm going straight. Oh wait, I'm going right. Oh wait, there's some place there. I see something. Some arrows, rainbow arrows showing. Let's see what's that. I better take a checkpoint. Okay. Whoa. I think that's acid. I may not want to touch it. Let's jump. Oh, man. Okay. Got the checkpoint successfully. So, let's go. And I know I must not touch this. Okay, I think this way is gonna be pretty good. Let's turn. Okay. Go. Okay, yes. And this is pretty rusted ladders. What is this arrow? Let's go top and see where we reach. We're going top this rusted ladders. And let's see. What is this place? Where am I gonna reach? Oh. Whoa. Oh wait. It's kind of stairs. Wait, then what is that light there? Let's go top and have a look with these dirty rusted ladders. Okay, and where's this? Whoa. I just teleported somewhere. I'm just sleeping? Oh no. Okay, where am I? I don't know about this, but spawn diamond ore car? I don't know. What is this? What is this? I don't know what else, but I see stairs. Whoa. Oh, the stairs vanishing? Wait. I think I understand. As you walk, the stairs will vanish. Let's keep on going then. Go. I just have to go straight, right? Oh no, the stairs is vanishing, I guess. But, I'm not gonna see back. Oh no. Oh Oh boy, go faster. How long is this? Oh my god, it's so long. I'm not gonna see back. I'm just gonna straight up. Whoa, we entering into the rainbow cave, I guess. This looks like rainbow cupcakes. Oh no, I'm going to fall. Trying to run very fast. This is so big. Oh no. Don't stop. Where's this gonna lead us? I think I do see the end. Whoa. I think we're gonna reach. Okay. Don't lag. Let's see where it's gonna lead us. This is not ending. I think I do see the end there. Wait. I think there's stairs getting ended there. Oh my god, this stairs is so big. Oh no, now it's getting thinner. Must go this side, do not fall out. Wait a minute, wait. Oh! Whew. That was good. Wait, there's some weird thing now. Let's take the checkpoint and spawn a jeep. I don't know. Does this, wait, is this normal stairs? I think this is just normal stairs, so we can go. This is awesome. Now where does the stairs lead us to? Oh no. This stairs is a bigger stairs. It's going to take so much time to reach to the end of this. We are going to the sky. I'm gonna just try jumping and just going. Okay, I see a mountain in top of the sky. I don't understand. This is just not ending. Oh my god, I see the rock mountain there. Let's see where does that reach us to. This stairs is never ending. Where's that mountain gonna reach us? Okay, I'm just going up at full speed there. This is taking forever. Okay, we're just gonna reach there if we go on the speed. Okay, this rainbow stairs is cool. Let's go. My robot is gonna reach there. Oh yes. Finally. We are going to get to the end. I don't know if this is the finishing of this. Wait. Did we just win the game? Replay the game for a free gear? Wait a minute. Did we just get it all? Wait a minute. We just finished it? Things are playing? Wait, does it tell that? Doesn't tell things, but I think we made it. It says replay the game for a free gear. Oh ho! Let's try to get some speed, okay? Can we get some speed? I'm so slow, what? It's not good speed. high speed. Oh no, wait. I want to go faster. This speed is, oh well, this is faster. So what if we take 100 speed now? Oh my god. Let's take speed 200. Speed 200. Wow! This is awesome. Whoa. I did not touch that. This is too much speed. Whoa. We just move a little. It's going so much. Let's take pink. Pink path. So let's keep on going. Oh, whoa, whoa. Jump, 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 jump. How do I get the pink path? Come on. Whoa, ho, ho. This is awesome. Okay, so let's try. What is this? Get a gear. Let's just go on this. Whoa. Whoa, I just got a radio. Oh, no. I just been starting with this radio and it's not good. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That's the end of this episode and the series. So meet you in the next video. So bye guys. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So bye.